Hi everyone, this is Cameron. This was meant to be an unboxing video, but I had forgot to do it. So I haven't taken out the box or nothing, I just messed it up. So this is volume 8, I believe. Oh no, this is a random booster volume 7. Prize Beyblade Maximum Garuda. I don't know which Beyblade I want out of these, actually. So, here we go. Okay, let's see here. Yeah, this the layer. I'm gonna say that for last, actually. Oh. Should have grabbed some scissors. I have 3 of these now. This is my 3rd time getting this. Well then. Are these the stickers? Yeah. I'm sorry guys, I'm probably like one of the worst unboxers. Cause I don't know the names of most every Beyblade. No, I know names of some Beyblade parts, just not all of them. That's why when I usually do these, I'll be with Nate. He usually tells me. Here are the details of the prize Beyblade and the other bays. I could've got a crash. Alright. Keep doing this. Hey. I might have to just go get my knife. Try this thing. I wasn't even expecting this to come. I was thinking, whoa. Okay. Alright. Was not expecting this. Well then, I already have one of these too. Christ. Hold on. Let me. These. This is where I keep my Beyblades. Rice. Close it down. Why, looky here. A green one and a black one. I'm gonna put the green one on him. The green one I like better because it has like the cool color on it. Okay. Time for the layer, which I feel like is gonna be Christ for some reason. I don't know. Like, 2 of them are already half, so why don't we make it the third one, huh? Oh, I will be getting Toy Nemesis sometime. Oh, it's Anubis. Wow, I didn't even think. I forgot. I didn't even know that this was be on here. I kind of like it. It's pretty. But I don't know about this combination though. Like, this is a weird combination. Let me just test it. Okay. Well then, let me try. You know what? It's happening. This is happening. I thought there would be like another thing that I just forgot. I knew it. Yep, there's something. I did this last time and I remembered it. Yeah. Okay. Why does this look like Valtrix? Yeah, Nate, I know you're gonna make fun of this. Yeah, because I already know. You're gonna be like, he got Anubis. I already know it's gonna come. So I'm already prepared for it. As soon as you do, I'm gonna be like, you got Genesis. Think I'm playing with you. Alright, so. Christ first, since he. Need to buy me another Ripper. I'm buying a string launcher or one of the dual. Whoa. Okay then. I just want to do a little video, but next time I will actually like do a battle. Well, it's gonna be me and Nate because I might go to his house. I don't know yet. But yeah, Anubis, welcome to the team.